presence I enter to lift my hands to you, Lord, I enter to honor I. So Lord, I worship you. I worship you, Lord. I worship you. Elaborato ficetes, entekela pande vatos, elamaraniana macoverete te peletes yasa, for your name is holy. Your name is holy. Your name